Hey everyone, it is Kitty. I hope you all had a great weekend. I just got back from Chattanooga and I had so many boxes waiting for me finally. Like 5 boxes arrived on Saturday. I'm still waiting on some, like I still haven't even gotten my Ipsy, so I don't know what's going on, why all my boxes are super late. But I put up a poll and you guys said you wanted me to open first my Boxycharm. So I am going to get right into that in just a moment. Just want to remind you I have my 2,000 subscriber giveaway still going on. I will leave the link below. And also I'm trying a new lighting setup today, so I won't really know how it's looking until I edit this video, but hopefully it is okay. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm opening Boxycharm like I said. If somehow you are unfamiliar with Boxycharm, Boxycharm is a beauty subscription. You get about 4 to 5 full-size items per month and it's only $21. It is by far my favorite beauty box. You definitely always get much more than the value, or the value is always much more than what you pay. You always get over $100. So I do know a few things I am getting in this box. So I'm opening right now, so I just saw some things, but we all are getting 2 of the same things, and then I got 1 spoiler, and I'll tell you what that is once we get to it. But I'm going to take out the card. So the theme this month is Afterglow. And on here it says all of the items along with the pricing, so I'll keep that right here. And I will start off with the items I knew were coming in my box. So the first thing that everyone received this month in their box is a No Problem Primer by Touch in Sol. And this is a smooth and pore covering, top secret for perfect makeup. And I've heard such good things about this, so I am super excited to try it. So it comes in this cute little packaging. I really like it. It's like glass packaging. It seems like really sturdy. So I've heard great things like I said. Let's see what it says about it. So this is $18 and it says create a seamless canvas for your foundation with your new Touch in Sol No Problem Primer. The light silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen act as adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. So I am super excited to try this. I'm just going to put a little bit on my hand and see what it's like. So it's like a light pink color. I can't tell if there's a scent or not. Oh, this goes on nice and smooth. Oh, there's like a very light, like skincare type scent. And it just blended in right over my skin. It feels very soft. So I'm really excited to use this. I just picked up a new foundation. I'm wearing it right now and I don't love it, so I'm going to try it with this tomorrow or maybe later tonight. I'm probably going to redo my makeup if I'm being honest, because I'm not loving it right now, but I've been testing out the new like L'Oreal Infallible foundation that everyone's raving about, and I don't know how I feel yet, but I'll fill you guys in when I do. Next thing I knew that was coming, I'm super excited about because people have raved about this for years. It's like a cult favorite. And it is a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, so finally I can see what all the freaking fuss is about. Like, is this worth it? So this is $24, so more than the box. That's crazy. This is an expensive mascara. It says, indulge in a mascara that actually lives up to its name. Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara separates, coats, and curls each lash to voluptuous perfection. Acai Senegal tree extract sets volume while film-forming polymers lock your lashes in a perfect curl. Better than sex, though. I don't know. But that is what the wand looks like. Hopefully you guys can see. Like I said, I have a new camera set up right now, so I can't tell it. And this light's kind of blinding in front of me, how close up you guys can see this. But the wand looks good. It does look pretty similar to the ColourPop one. People are saying that, the new ColourPop BFF mascara. But that one's only $8, so I'll see how this compares. I would expect this to be better, but we shall see. The next thing I see... Oh! By the way, I didn't say what variation I received. I have variation 3, which I thought variation 3 was the one that came with something else, but yeah, so I have 3. Sorry I didn't say that in the beginning, but I think you guys all got your boxes already for me. So Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. I love Pharmacy, so I'm super excited to get this. I do have a bunch of facial cleansers, I'll be honest. Like, I don't really need one, but I'm definitely open to trying this one because I love the Pharmacy makeup balm, or the cleansing balm, or whatever we received in a previous Boxycharm. I really loved it, so I'm excited to try more by this company. So this is $22, another item more than the value of the box. And this says, soothe and hydrate your skin while lifting dirt, excess oil, impurities, grime, and makeup. Your new Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser was made for daily use. keeping those with sensitive skin in mind. It's formulated with naturally derived ingredients like coconut, sugar, amino acids, and a powerful botanic blend of turmeric, chamomile, calendula, aloe, and licorice root. So I'm excited to try this. So super awesome. And then I received something by Trestique, and I kind of was hoping for this. It was either this or an eye pencil. I can't remember if it was by the same brand or not. But this is super cool. It's like a 2-in-1. So there's one side is a primer. And I have the color English Rose, by the way. But this side is a little primer. Super cute. Super excited to try that. I never used lip primer, so I'm really curious to see if it will extend my makeup. So this is $25. Wow. Oh, it's a different looking tip. I kind of remember seeing this in some videos. Can you guys see that? It's like thin. Ooh, I think that's a pretty color. I'm gonna try that out later. It comes off a little lighter than it looks, so that's awesome, because I'm not the biggest fan of berries, but this packaging is so cool. It's like magnetic. So that's fun. So $25. The 2-in-1 lip duo features a luxurious lip smoothing primer on one side and a shiny color glaze on the other. The priming side smooths lips and glides on like a balm, creating a super smooth canvas. The color glaze effortlessly glides onto your lips to leave behind a pop of soft, shiny color. Awesome. I'm super excited, you guys, to try that on my lips. I should have probably just done this box bare face so I could try everything. But one thing I did know that was in my spoiler was that I was getting a highlight. So I didn't put any highlighter on today. But I didn't know everything else I was getting. And I honestly put makeup on a while ago, so sorry I'm not doing this all first impressions on here, but I will try out this Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Glow Up Highlighter. So where is this on here? This is $32. That's expensive. It says, allow your skin to capture the light of any room you walk into with this unique velvety smooth highlighter. Infused with glow-loving, light-reflecting, and pearlescent pigments, this highlighter will give your skin the perfect amount of brightness. Looks kind of dark. Let's see. How do I open this? So that is what it looks like. Let's swatch it. Ooh, pretty. Oh, it might not be too dark for me. It's very soft. I put a lot on, so that seems pretty. I have a kind of clean highlight brush here. Oh man, this doesn't have a mirror. Alright, I have got my kitty mirror. Ooh, my foundation's looking bad. I hope that's not coming through on camera as bad as it looks in person, or worse. Okay. Does that come off? Ooh, that's pretty, I think. Yeah, it's kind of subtle. I like it. I was thinking it'd be a little bit more, like in your face, but I kind of like it. I hope you guys can see, but I think I really like this, so that's great, because I wasn't sure. Honestly, I was a little bummed because I wanted the bronzer. Like, if you guys have been following my channel and you watched my video where I talked about things I wish I got more of in subscription boxes, the one thing I said was bronzer, so I was super excited when I saw a spoiler that some people were going to get the Pretty Vulgar bronzer, but some of us were getting the highlighter. Of course I ended up with the highlighter, but it's pretty, so that's okay. I think I will get a lot of use out of this. I do like the packaging. It's kind of bulky though, but that's okay because I've got some drawers behind me to fill up. So let's go over this all again and I will add up the pricing. So we have the Touch and Soul Primer, Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I feel like I can't speak well. It's like a few days of not filming. I'm like totally off. We have the Pharmacy Cleanser, the Trestique Lippy, and then the Pretty Vulgar highlighter. So I'm going to add that up all really quick here. So the total for my box is $121, if you guys can see that. So I got $100 more in products than what I paid for. So like I said in the beginning, Boxycharm seriously has such a great value. Especially if you're like new to the makeup game and want to build up your collection, this is seriously how I have. I was a newbie to makeup, still kind of am, but when I subscribed. So, and I think I really will get use out of everything in this box. I mean, I still have to try the mascara and lippy and stuff, but I do like them. I want to try them. I'm super excited to try this primer. I love pharmacy products, so I will definitely put this in my shower and start using this probably as my daily cleanser. And then the highlighter I tried on, and I do like it. And yeah, this is probably one of the better months I've had in a while. I'm happy with every single item. I'm kind of glad that we didn't get another palette because I'm pretty overwhelmed with my palette collection right now. I really only use a couple and I have so many. So, I mean, I do love getting eyeshadow palettes and face palettes and all that, but I'm okay with the break in palettes for this box because I think we get an eyeshadow palette like in pretty much every Boxycharm, don't we? But yeah, so that is everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have, like I said, like 5 other boxes waiting to be opened, so I will have a lot of videos this week. I hope you all enjoyed your long weekend, and don't forget, my giveaway link is down below, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!